Are you looking for the best tips and tricks for making your Disney experience the best it can be? Well, you're in luck. Today's video is all about Smugglers Run at Hollywood Studios. Smugglers Run can be found at the center of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge in Hollywood Studios. It's a moderately intense ride with some jerking back and forth. During this ride, 6 guests are trying to pilot the Millennium Falcon to obtain some resources for the Resistance and return the Falcon to safety. Now, this isn't just your average virtual coaster style ride. Each rider is given a job during the flight. Each experience has 2 pilots, 2 gunners, and 2 engineers. The pilots do just what the name says. They pilot the Falcon. The right pilot moves up and down, and the left pilot moves left to right. Now, there's one important detail. The right pilot gets to pull the lever and jump the Falcon into light speed. This is the best seat on the ride and the one that everyone wants to get. The gunners are responsible for manning the guns and shooting targets along the Falcon's journey. The engineers are responsible for fixing the aircraft as things break. But don't worry, you're not actually fixing anything. You're just clicking flashing buttons and switches throughout the duration of the ride. Now, the part everyone is always concerned about is picking their position. Just about everyone in line wants to get that right pilot position. It's a childhood dream of jumping into light speed. And don't worry, there's a few ways to ensure that you get that job. The line for this ride is typically pretty long and averages over an hour. Thankfully, the ride offers a single rider line. With this line, you can pretty much avoid the entire line and walk right onto the ride. However, you can't pick your position. You'll be given whatever job is left over when you get to the front of that line. If you just want to experience the ride without the long wait, go this route. You'll be on and off in a few minutes. If you're okay spending a bit of money to get to the lightning lane, you can walk right up to the ride and pick your job. While this method might not be the most inexpensive method, you'll get through the line quickly and you'll be able to pick the job you want. You'll go through the lightning lane, and I do want to mention that if you have the DAS pass, you can also go through the lightning lane and still pick your job. If none of those are options for you, you can wait in the standby line. When you get to the front, you can ask to wait for the job you want. The cast members are pretty good about letting you wait in the front of the line until the job you want becomes available. This might mean letting a few riders behind you get on the ride before you, but it'll guarantee that you get the job that you're looking for. One thing you'll need to keep in mind is that children under the age of 7 need to ride with an adult, so if you have a young rider, you'll need to go with them in the standby line or the lightning lane line. Children can't go through the single rider line if they are under the age of 7. Cast members are pretty cautious of this rule and will turn away young riders. I have seen now 3 children be turned away from this ride while going through the single rider line, so make sure you are following those rules so you don't disappoint the little ones. We hope this video helped you with having the best experience possible while in Smugglers Run. Let us know your favorite job on Smugglers Run in the comments. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button for more Disney videos. We'll see you in the next one. Stay magical. Bye!